There is no better feeling than catching that first wave and riding it to the shore on the weekends. And if you're someone who has just started surfing, you can create this majestic moment yourself if you have a good beginner surfboard with you. But not all surfboards are optimal for beginners to learn and surf easily, so it would be best if you chose wisely. Therefore, in today's video, we will discuss the top 7 best surfboards for beginners based on the materials, lengths, and other added features they offer. So let's get on with the rest of the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
First, we have the Guppy surfboard from South Bay Board that features a beginner-friendly shape and suitable thickness so that your kid can enjoy surfing on the sea. This 3-inch thick surfboard adds better floating and paddling ability. Besides, its 6 feet long length and 21-inch wide chest area make it very easy to carry small kids up to 100 pounds. You will get better paddling power with the rounded out nose, and the nose rocker will prevent your surfboard from purling. In addition, its broad squash tails along with a flat bottom deck allow children to take cleaner turns while maintaining stability. This board features a lightweight EPS closed cell foam core along with 2 full-length wooden stringers so that it doesn't absorb water like a sponge. Overall, the Guppy from South Bay Board is a primary option for beginner surfers like kids or preteens. Improve your surfing skills with the Softech Mason Twin, a tremendous handmade surfboard from highly durable material and plug-in fins option. It comes with the FCS2 fin system, which omits any additional screw or tools to secure the fins. You can easily insert the fin into the plug or remove them based on the wave condition or your ability. With the progression board, you can improve your riding skills. Besides, it's built with a waterproof X-Density EPS foam core along with a double stringer, hence you will always have a lightweight performance. It features 2 different board lengths, 5 feet 6 inch and 5 feet 10 inch, which have the volume 35 liters and 38 liters respectively. So based on your weight, you can choose the appropriate one. The Softech Mason Twin is a combination of progression board and a tool-free fin system, making it a very useful surfboard for beginners. Next on the list, we have the Liquid Treader Easy Slider with an impressive payload capacity. Like the Softech Mason Twin, it also comes with a removable fin system. With 7 feet of length, 21.5 inches of width, along with 3 inches of thickness, it occupies a volume of 49 liters despite weighing only 11 pounds. Hence, it will effortlessly carry novice riders up to 150 pounds. In addition, this surfboard features a removable tri-fin system, and this flexibility ensures extra safety. Also, the through-hole fin screw holes are perfectly sealed to prevent water from entering. Its dual wooden stringers ensure strength, while its no-glue usage ensures quality construction. Plus, you can attach a leash to any fin screw, which omits your need to secure an additional leash plug. This Liquid Treader Easy Slider is an excellent option for beginners and experienced surfers as it offers a higher payload and removable tri-fin system. Introducing the Blacktip from Surftech, a great surfboard that comes in various lengths and valuable features and delivers a smoother surfing experience. Based on your preference, you can choose from 6 feet to a maximum of 10 feet long Blacktip boards, ranging from 38.4 liters to 112.8 liters of volume. In addition, It features durable and rigid multi-stringer cores along with heat-laminated texture foam decks. Also, reinforced bumpers to the nose and tail make it versatile without purling while you're surfing. With its sweet P positioning and foot placement hash mark, you'll be able to teach yourself to position your body and foot correctly on it. The Surftech Learn to Surf Blacktip is a go-to board for surf schools and surfers who want a reliable board for surfing. Next, we have the South Bay Board Co. Verve 8 Feet Premium Beginner, featuring a custom wax-free fingerprint texture foam with a rounded nose and wide chest. Its 96-inch length, 23-inch width, and 3 inches of thickness can easily support surfers up to 200 pounds of weight. Also, it features a rounded nose for easier paddling and wave-catching ability. Its widened chest area makes the pop-ups easier and improves board stability. Plus, the rocker in the nose prevents purling, and the existing rocker in the tail helps to maintain speed. Besides, it comes with extra durable plastic screws replacing the screws in the fin, and these upgraded pins bring in more incredible speed, control, and overall performance boost. In brief, the South Bay Board Co. Verve 8 Feet Premium Beginner is a great option for surfers who want to learn and enjoy surfing. Wavestorm is a popular name in the soft surfboard industry, and its 8 feet classic exceeds the benchmark by becoming one of the learn to surf boards of all time due to its build quality and performance. With strong, bolt-through symmetrical fin sets, you will get a better hold and stable turning ability whenever you surf on it. Also, it features an EPS core with 3 marine ply stringers to ensure strength longevity. In addition, you will get better tracking on the back foot as it comes with a tail pad. Plus, its high-density slick bottom maintains rigidity. Despite being a long 8 feet board, it weighs only 12.5 pounds and has a volume of up to 86 liters, and this extra lightweight enables you to handle it efficiently and maintain a perfect balance on the water. All in all, the bolt-through fin sets, 3-stringer, and other valuable benefits make the Wavestorm 8 Feet Classic a great value for money surfboard that you won't regret buying. As the best of the list, we have the JJF by Pyzel the Log, which is made by utilizing the most advanced construction to get maximum durability and performance every time you use it. You will get incomparable performance as it's designed to uniquely and detailed through hand finishing, unlike traditional soft boards. It features a lightweight and durable epoxy or fiberglass construction, a full-length recycled EPS foam core, and an internal wood stringer, making the surfboard lightweight yet durable. It is 7 feet long, 22 and 1/4 inch wide, and 3.5 inch thick. So whether you're looking forward to taking your surfing skills to the next level or enjoy a relaxed surfing experience at the beach, the JJF by Pyzel the Log has got you covered no matter how you want to surf. So that was the list for the top 7 best surfboard for beginners just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.